उतार्ने गरी गर्नु अब फेरि यत्रो ठुला चप्पल लाउँछ फेरि स्लोली स्लोली
Guys, just take a look, viewers. That's a baby dove, and that's a grown-up dove. Wait, I think I just heard a bird over here. Wait, where did it came from? I remember, like last time, viewers, over up there, in March 10, 2026, I uploaded a video of birds flying to south of equator. Like there's a group of birds over there. Its quality is 1440p, which I watched on TV. Oh, that baby one is moving. I'm observing it. Wait, just walk carefully near it. By the way, this happened at 6 p.m. EST. See that move there. You can realize here that these are doves. Let me show my regular one. That one is the baby dove over there, which is young in juvenile level, and that one is the parent. I think it's the male or female, and that one I think it's a male or female. Of course it's a male, because after some amount of time, like some good amount of time, it will turn into that one. From that to that. That's in a big amount of time. They might start to marry each other. Yeah, that's how crazy it is. That's extremely crazy. You could, where are they? That is extreme. Oh. Yes, on top of my neighbor's shed. Here, see it? At the bird over there. Oh, it's a big fat bird. You're old, and that one is old.
Please give me some woody, please.
God, please give me some woody, please.
Ask the dog.
Dove, please give me some woody.
I want to pass my sleep test.
फेरि खिच्न नजिक गएर यो स्यान्डल
Oh my. That one's pretty big. Look at the bird.
फेरि भिडियो गर्दै साथै
It's a bird.
That's a bird over there.
It's a bird.
That's a bird.
Cool bird.
A cool bird.
Bird.
Bird. That's a mourning dove. I love you, mourning doves. This is my long form bird videos.
Yeah, that one's over there. Bird. 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 Bird.
I'm trying to.
It looks so black.
It looks so black here on camera, but in real life it looks good. I'm recording this with an iPhone 13.
You can tell.
Don't mind the camera quality.
It's not like we're scared away. We don't want to scare this guy. This like a little grayish, brownish looking bird away.
Bird, can I also steal you, please?
Yeah, please. It's getting ready to fly.
Yeah, please. It's getting
No,
ready
can I
to
take you
fly
to
away.
my house?
No. Oh!
It flew away.
It flew away.
I'm gonna go.
Yeah, and bye bye.
Because I said, can I take you to my house? That's why I flew away.
And I can hear stuff. That's the end of this crazy video. Bye bye.